Terry Vegan with Terry. I'm Terry. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome back if you've been here before. Welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to show you a really simple dinner recipe. It's a broccoli and mushroom stir fry. So you don't have to use broccoli or mushrooms. I'm going to today, but really you can use whatever veggies you have in your refrigerator. So if you're getting toward the end of the week and you need to use up some vegetables before they go bad, this is a great way to do it. Let's get started. Okay, to make our sauce, it's just 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar, ½ cup of water, and 3 dates. Blend it in your blender until it's smooth. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. Now I'm going to do the main part of the stir fry. Now we're going to get started on our stir fry. So we've got our heated pan. I'm going to put in ¼ cup of water. By the sizzle, you can tell that my pan's nice and hot. And now I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and some diced red onion. I'm going to let that cook until it gets soft. It's not going to take very long at all. You know, you can buy the diced red onion. It's either in your produce section or in your spice section. So if for some reason you forgot to buy a red onion, which is what I did, you can buy it pre-diced and it's a little dehydrated, but it's fine because you get the same flavor. It does cook up considerably faster though. So I'm going to give this just a moment or two. Okay, now we've got 2 shredded carrots, 4 cups of chopped broccoli, 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms, and 1/3 cup of cashews. Now we're just going to let everything get cooked and soft. So I'm going to cover this for a few minutes. It's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes, somewhere in there, for everything to get soft and delicious. Alright, let's just check on this. We're getting there. My family likes the vegetables a little bit softer, so I'm going to cook it longer than some people would. That's okay, it just all depends on how you like your vegetables. If you like them a little crunchy, it's not going to take as long. Okay, that's looking good. Okay, now we're going to pour our sauce over this. Get everything coated really well. And turn your heat off at this point. And then add some light soy sauce if you want. That all blended in, and you can serve it over a bowl of rice, which is what I'm going to do. It serves 4. You can serve it over cauliflower rice, over noodles. You can just eat it as it is because it's just vegetables. So that would be a good dinner just by itself. Thank you again for joining me today. I appreciate it. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day and God bless.